Hello everyone, welcome back to Sparaya YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change the screen lock to the pattern model on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who want your cell phone security to be high, then you also have to change your cell phone screen lock as often as possible, or you can change it periodically. And on this video, I would like to change the screen lock to the pattern model. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, first now you can go to settings menu, and then now you can scroll down, and then now you can go to security and privacy. And after that, now you can go to lock screen. You can enter your last lock screen, and then now I will change to the pattern model. So now you can draw the pattern and confirm the pattern and then click OK. So yep, the new model of screen lock is done. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to change the screen lock to the pattern model, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.